Hi, my name's Bob Lindy. I'm an acupuncture and herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I'm going to show you how to make an herbal heat pack. We need to go ahead and get a couple of supplies together. We need to get a muslin bag, or we can even use an old cotton sock if you want. We need to go ahead and get some rice or buckwheat hulls. I personally like to use the rice. And we need to get some aromatic herb of our choice. Personally, I almost always use lavender just for the relaxation. And of course, we need something to heat up our pack with. And so you can either use a low temperature stove or your microwave oven. So once you've gathered your supplies together, what we want to do is go ahead and mix our rice and lavender together and put that into our muslin bag, tie the bag shut, and go ahead, and if you're using a microwave, I recommend no more than 30 seconds that you put it in there on high. Once you take it out, be careful because it may be too hot for you to actually place onto your skin. If you're putting it in the oven, I recommend the lowest oven setting that you can get, and usually about 5 minutes is plenty inside your oven. So you can adjust it based on your own oven temperatures or the strength of your microwave. Then we can take that sock or that bag that's filled with our rice and our lavender and place it on any part of our body that just feels better when it has heat applied. The pressure of the rice and the scent of the lavender over our forehead if we have problems with sinus congestion. We can place it on our eyes if we've had computer strain or just been driving a long time. Sore muscles on our neck, our shoulder, or low back. Alls feels wonderful to wrap this herbal heat pack around that afflicted area. So, please enjoy your heat packs. They can be used over and over again. The only time you might need to make a new one is when the herbs don't smell anymore, or you don't feel like it's got its effectiveness. And you can enjoy it as many times as you like. So, this is Bob Lindy in St. Petersburg, trying to explain to you how to make an herbal heat pack, and so please enjoy your herbs.